Generally, when we have a dog that likes to jump, we want to remove the attention when he jumps and then only reward them when they sit. However, if we just sit around and let them keep jumping, they may not perceive that we're ignoring them. So what we can do instead is, as they run up to us, we can get a treat down to their face to stop them and then reward them for sitting. So that way we're keeping them from jumping in the first place. So I'm going to be ready to get that treat in his face every time he runs up, so he doesn't even have a chance to jump. All right. Here, Joey, do you want treats? Ruff! Happy. Hi! Good dog. Good dog. There, I was a little bit late, so I had to back up to make it clear that I wasn't paying attention. Good dog. Okay. Happy. Hi, cute dog, come here. Good, all right. Good dog. So we're giving the first treat for sitting, and then we're giving additional treats for remaining seated or lying down. As long as he's calm, he'll get rewarded. And we're going to start with giving treats frequently, and then we'll give treats less and less frequently, so he learns to be calm for longer periods without treats. Good dog. Okay. All right. Good dog. Get it. Good. All right. Good. Get it. Good. So I'm purposely trying to get him to go away so that he can come back again and practice sitting. Come here! Look! Good. So if you practice this consistently for a couple of days, then he'll get the idea that every time he runs up to you, he should sit instead of jumping. All right. He brat.